Okay, then let's jump into the next section.
Yes, so everything we did for now was run the normal stuff. Nothing, no async, no threading, no nothing. And now we want to basically add the async support for it.
Yeah, so async await the normal.
Async await, yes. Async await. Yeah.
Swift API. Nice. Okay.
Okay.
So it will jump back, right?
We jump back in, yeah. That's actually pretty easy. So we start here, and the only thing we do is we add the async parsable, and we of course want to have this one async and throw.
You need both parsable command and async parsable.
For some reason, well,
maybe can you check the definition of async parsable? Maybe it includes the other one already. Yeah,
no,
it does.
Parsable command.
So it should be enough to just.
Should be enough, yeah. I had issues with it before, but maybe they fixed it. Okay. So of course I also have to do the async here. And let's see. Now I have to come up with a...
And that's it.
I
mean, you can just write a function that is async, even if it doesn't do anything async.
Async run. Oh, just like this?
Yeah, and then just put a print in there, so it doesn't matter. Or you can even return a task to make it even more async. So with that, you just say it's async, but it isn't.
Well, let's see. So we can have that task.
You can even without that, I think, and just do task.
Let's sleep for 1 second and
move that in, yeah.
Can I just do return this?
No, you can just print it in there, I guess.
And then return task dot value. Do I have to do this?
You can also just return the task. You don't need the let task then.
I don't?
No.
But, and then I have to unwrap it later?
Just return the task. Oh, wait, no, maybe you need. Or return it and then not value. Maybe that works. But it's fine like this. Let's try it. Yeah, but now you need to do something with the return string. Yeah.
Like that.
Let's see how that goes. Maybe you can extend the file browser a bit so that I'm in front of the file browser, the project structure thing, and I'm not in the way of the, yeah, exactly.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see if I run it correctly. Perfect. It's a little bit too fast probably. Let's do it for 3 seconds.
Let's see if this actually works. So if it's skip that because it felt fast. No, it's not. No, it is.
Let's see if it's really on a different thread. Yes, it's not on thread, not on the main thread. So here if I have my app running and this is...
That's a bit small. You need like a magnifying thing.
Well, never mind. It will... You saw a different that there's also there was more than one thread, so that's fine.
It's fine, yeah.
Okay. You just worked with async sequences, right? Can I just add those await async run methods in an array and go through them? Not sure if this works.
Can try it, but you would need something that returns the sequence. let's see what it does with that one. What the type is that it returns there. Not sure if it works like this. Check the type of the async collection.
Can't do it. Error type.
I think you need to do an async stream first to create it.
Oh, okay.
Async, yeah, async stream, I think. Yes, and then initialize it with, let's see what it does. Now you need to, okay, so do it like this.
Build or unfold?
Build and unfold is an async function that returns an element. This one is the thing. Do you use that one? Yeah, and then inside there you do your...
Can do this? Or should I do...
But then it's just one.
Ah. You mean I can...
I'm not sure.
Do this? No, this
I just got them and then worked with them.
Okay.
I'm not sure if this works then, but maybe.
So now can I now do for item in... How do I do this?
Await item. No, await item.
Oh. Await item. Async stream. Print.
Item. Yeah, maybe.
Item.
Build.
A little bit confused with the...
That's just a name. You can name it whatever.
I know. I'm just confused that
it's purple. Yeah.
Purple.
If you build, does it like it? Yeah.
Expected a separate, of course.
No, there should be no separators in the. Why?
Method map.
Remove the parentheses and the spaces. No. Then make the parentheses back in. Yeah. So that's normal. Yeah, you cannot map it. I'm not sure. Maybe not a good topic to try out in this stream.
Okay.
I mean, you can still have a for loop and inside there just call this function.
Yeah, right. So for next,
then you can do it for each, but it's the same. Yeah, it's interesting if you now put an await in there, if it likes that. If you do something that needs to be awaited in a for loop.
Great.
Hi, desktop. Okay, let's see. Does it build?
Okay. Does it like it?
Yeah. You're not using index. That's yeah, correct. Okay.
Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, so it's actually not running them in parallel, but awaits the first one, and when that is done, does the second one, so on.
If I do this, no, it's not.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's not. Okay, never mind. Yeah, well, okay.
So
never mind.
The await you need if the elements are awaitable.
Yeah.
In the list.
Okay, but still, this would be pretty simple. Adding async await to it.
Yeah, so
already works.
I mean, it's now made up example, but you could use network call also.
Right. Yeah.
To fetch some data, the weather of today.
Correct. Okay, so this would be introduction to async.
Yes. So quite simple. Just use a different protocol.
Right. Quite simple, and it's since we already used the add main before and already had the structure for it, everything, then the rest is basically pretty easy. You use another protocol, and you of course have to add the async to the run function.
If you have used the async protocol, can you still just use a non-async run?
Yeah.
Guess no.
if you only use async, no, you can't.
Yeah. I mean, you can try this in the next section.
Well, actually, it will try the... It will first try if there's an async possible command, which we did. And if there isn't, then it will run the normal command.
So I didn't mean
so it will
at
fall
both,
back to it.
And didn't mean at both. So that you could say you could just use the async possible protocol every time. Don't care.
Yeah, sure.
And then
if there's no async, then it's no.
I mean, similar to the unit tests in Swift, where you can put async after the test and then use an async context or not, and then have a normal synchronous context, and you don't need to inherit from another test or so. But maybe because of the protocol, it's a bit different here.
So of course you can write async in it, and you don't have to use it.
Yeah, that's not the option. Yeah, but better is if you have an async command, then use that, and if not, then the other. Okay, a bit confusing, but so my question, how it works is actually quite simple. Okay.
Yeah.